Welcome back to Deadly Outlaws. 5-star reviews. Uncle Barry, well, Barry here. Well, howdy, Outlaws. Welcome back to my show. If you're a fan of my content, I'm making you hungry. Consider smashing that subscribe button, clicking that notification bell, because I'm showing you some foods that I'm going to review. I'm here to try KFC's new Dunkin' Bucket. What is the Dunkin' Bucket? Where you dunk it? Because it's March Madness. They give you mashed potato poppers. This is mashed potatoes. And you get fries and 2 chicken tenders. And you get all these cool sauces for dipping them, dunking them. So let's get a thumbnail of this really quick. Ka-ching, got it. So here is the Dunkin' Bucket. You got 5 mashed potato poppers, fries, chicken tenders, and these dipping sauces. 2 gravies and 1 sticky chicky. I can't wait to try this. All right, let's give the mashed potato popper a try. Oh, wow. That is buttery on this mashed potato popper. Let's try their fries. All right, let's dunk it. Here, let's dunk it. Dunk. There it is. Oh man. It's just buttery with this mashed potato. It's so good. Seasoned well. It's like you're having mashed potatoes. Sorry, with the sun in the background, sun does not like me doing reviews. Look at that. That is so good. Now I'll try this. Crispy chicken tender. Dunk. I'm gonna dunk it in some. There you go. Boop. A mixture of chicky sauce and the gravy. With the gravy in this. They do have really good fries. Kind of fries with the dunk it. Chicky sauce. And guess what, Outlaws? This was $7. $7.32 altogether with the tax. That's a good deal. Chicken sauce. One more for our mashed potato poppers. They have these 5, and you can get 5 of these for $3. But this is just so good. Just dip it, dunk it. Dunk it, Dunkaroo. Bah, bah, bah. Like it, Dunkaroo. The last one. See, look at that. Oh man, those poppers were so good. Buttery. Just amazing. And the savory with the gravy sauce. They gave me way too much gravy. The sticky sauce. All right. Let's get to our rating. On Outlaws rating for this deal, this is a 5 out of 5. Absolutely delicious. Get 2 chicken tenders, get fries, and you get mashed potato poppers. Or you pay $3 for mashed potato poppers, but I don't think they give you gravy on the side. But you get these 3 dips, these 3 sauces with it. You got 2 gravy dips and the chicken sticky sauce because they're out of the compact sauce. All right, guys, so a 5 out of 5. If you'd like a personalized video shout out, you can go to cameo.com/outlaws_generation or check out the patreon.com/outlaws_generation. There's alcohol reviews, James Does Rants, drama and politics, so check it out. All right, guys, so after these credits, I'm going to recommend some good content for you. You can click on Daily Outlaws 5-star food reviews playlist. Click around subscribing to Outlaws Sports Center, open 1 pack every weekend. Click around subscribing to Outlaws Generation and check out the patreon.com/outlaws_generation. Well, that's it for the review. You can't review it until you taste it. Until next time, join Outlaws' next adventure. Fellas, Outlaws Generation out.